Reciprocating saws, or sabre saws as some people call them, are becoming more and more commonplace on the work site, being used by a number of tradesmen and even householders as well. They're really clever and versatile machine, and this one from Einhell is packed with features and benefits. Let's have a look at it. Okay, this works in a similar way to a jigsaw, but it's an inline body. This one's got a rocking front plate there, so you can move when you're up against, you put this up against the workpiece and you rock and you keep it sturdy. Bit like a jigsaw, but the other way round. Okay, nice little features with this one. You can lock this shoe plates in place there, or unlock it and adjust it out. You can see it's got lots of different adjustment settings there for different blades that you might want to put in. Get it to the one that you want. I'm going to put it right up and then just click the button on the other side. It's got a padlock on there, so that's locked in now. This machine's got a very easy blade change feature. You just twist the chuck and insert the blade. It is as easy as that. You don't need any tools for it. So I'm going to twist the chuck. It's 90 degrees clockwise. It takes any standard sabre or reciprocating saw blade, is a standard fitment, and it will take them. That's locked into place, nice and easy to change the blade, twist again, and it pulls out. So it really is as easy as that. So that's locked into place there. Let's look at some of the features and benefits from the front. I've talked about the shoe there and the adjustment there. Straight away you've got a nice slim long body, nice slim grip at the front, so when you're holding it at the front, it makes it nice and comfortable for you, but it gives you extra control. Coming along, this contains the powerful 650 watt motor, which is really useful to have a nice beefy motor with these machines. It just gives you so much more flexibility. At the back you've got an inline pistol grip, and straight away you can see your hand goes straight into position. You've got a nicely positioned trigger there, and you've got a lock-on button as well. So there you go. As you can see, it's got a nice powerful motor with it. So everything is in line with your arm. I don't know if I can turn over, you can see that the natural position is in line with my arm, which is very important when you're cutting. Okay, this has variable speed on it from minimum, and this is really dependent on the materials that you're cutting. So just come across there. I don't know if you can home in, that's minimum. You might get an idea for this. I'll just pull the trigger. And you can see that's nice and slow. Depending on the material and the blade you're using, you might need to cut slowly. And then I'm going to ramp this right up. You've got 6 settings up to maximum. And you can hear as we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And that comes right down again. You've also got a lock-on button, which I'll press there, so you can keep going if you really need to keep going. Now, under load, it's got constant electronics. I'm just going to switch that off. So as you're going through thicker bits of material, the speed will remain the same. So we're going to cut some different materials now, and you can just see how they perform. It's a really versatile machine. You get different blades for different applications. It'll enable you to flush cut if you're a plumber or a tiler. You can cut pipes flush to the wall before skimming over. You've got blades to cut metal with wood. And even you've got pruning blades, which makes it fantastic for the gardener that wants to prune trees down. It's a lot less scary than a chainsaw, and obviously you can cut logs if you've got a log burner as well. So it really is a versatile machine from Einhell. Here it is, the 650 watt reciprocating saw. It comes with a full 2-year guarantee. It's got constant speed electronics. It's got a variable speed, a nice soft firm grip on the body, nice powerful machine, and a great all-rounder.